Now you know what is npm script, how you can create new npm script in the package.json file, and how you can execute certain script. We have installed external package called npm run all and used it in the npm script. And if you use this external command in the npm script, npm will look in the node modules folder in the .bin folder for executable file. Let's talk about this more deeply. So, .bin folder. What is this? When you install any npm package, npm will look for bin field in the package.json file. And if this field is present, and if it contains certain key-value pairs, in the .bin folder, npm will create new files, called in this case run-p, run-s, and npm-run-all. So, 3 new files will be created. And contents of following files will be copied to those newly created files. For example, npm run all will contain file bin npm run all index.js. And those files that will be created will be executable files. Let's look at this in action. So, let's examine in the node modules folder npm run all folder. Here it is. Let's look at its package.json file. And here is bin field. It contains 3 records. Let's look at this file, bin npm run all index.js. It is located here, npm run all index.js. And here are contents of this file. I'll double-click this file to keep it opened, and I'll move to .bin folder, and here I'll see npm run all, run-p, and run-s. So, 3 files that were created according to those instructions in the package.json file. If I'll open npm run all, double-click it, its contents will be same as in this file. Contents of those 2 files match because in the package.json file there is this instruction. So simply copy file to new executable file called npm run all. And here is this file in the .bin folder. Remember that in our package.json file we have created several scripts. So let's launch this script npm run all. So npm run all. And script was successfully executed. Let's simply rename this npm run all file in the .bin folder. So rename, just add 2. And let's try to run script again, npm run all. Now I'll get error, because there is no executable file. Okay, let's rename it back. In this file on the first line you see special command, this one. Let's look at other files in the .bin folder. For example, samvar. This file also contains this line. So what is this? This line is called shebang line. What is shebang? Shebang determines which interpreter will be used to execute certain file. Probably you noticed that those files in the .bin folder have no extension. That's why computer doesn't know how to execute those files. That's why this special shebang line is used on Unix-like systems to give instructions to your computer to how to launch certain file. You also noticed that each file in the .bin folder is just plain text file. And to make it executable on Unix-like systems, we need to add this line at the very top. So this line must be first line in executable file. How do you think what will happen if this shebang line will be removed from the file? Please try yourself now to remove this line from npm run all executable and then run npm run all again. And next, let's do it together. See you.